Alright, YouTube. I got the top view. I get to see this view of me coming out the damn back and what I gotta do. The white snow. It's not that bad though. It's the first snowstorm we had all this year. We ain't really have a big one in like the last 4 or 5 years. Oh shit. What if I fall? I gotta go in there, get the snow blower. I gotta do all this. Y'all can take a walk with me while I walk to the front. Here go y'all white Christmas. Except Christmas is over. Look at this. Look at my feet stuck in all this. Oh my God, man. White Christmas. All right. I gotta find this brush, clean these cars off, and then go into that garage so I could deal with this. Damn, I was hoping that was open. But anyway, I get to see. I gotta deal with this bullshit. Me in the snow. Oh man. Alright, let me get started. I'll turn in a few, y'all. I can see my work. Not work, I can see some of it. This is crazy. Alright, y'all. See, you got some of it done. It's time to go in the garage. See, I got the gloves. It's goddamn cold out here. Uh-oh. That's what the bull crap about to come into. Look at this. I'm about to get out of here. Let me see. I can see. It's always something, right? Now I see why. Get the hell out of this goddamn snow. But in there is my baby. She do not see the snow. Alright, I gotta get this open, man. Then turn the camera back on. Get away from that so y'all can hear. Y'all get a look at it now. So you wanna move up north or to the East Coast, huh? That's what you gotta deal with. And this ain't even nothing. It's just a little light one. And we ain't have a bad snowstorm, I wanna say in like 4 or 5 years. This the first one we had all this year. It ain't really been that bad, but still, we gotta deal with this. It looks good and everything. Well, like trees. But me, I'm tired of this. But that's alright. Look at that. So y'all about to see the result when I'm done. You see all this snow everywhere. Let me walk up. Y'all can see the sidewalk and everything. I gotta do the sidewalk and everything. Things you gotta do when you own your house. But that's okay, cause wait till my Thursday video come out, and I won't be up in this crap. So you know what that means? Another vacation, another trip coming up. All right, let me get this done, and I'll show y'all the results. Oh yeah, I had to use that damn shovel right there to shovel that part so I could get out, open the garage doors. Matter of fact, let me see. I don't got my boots on, can't find my boots on and sneakers. Walk back here. Look at this, I'm on a fire pit. There y'all go, now y'all get to see. There's probably a damn coyote somewhere in there. We got them all through here. Look at my neighbors, man. They just moved for all our shit back there. Yep, so time to get started. We'll be back.
1 hour later.
Oh my God. Alright, y'all, we back. You can see it's all done. Even had to make a little way so I could bring the dogs. That took about an hour to do. Oh my goodness. I had to do all this, so this what y'all want me to move up here. First video of 2024, and it's a damn snow video. But as I can see, I did the whole driveway. I did my part of the sidewalk. My part, oh shit, I gotta do right here. Now this is what I gotta do. Now this part I'm gonna use this shovel for. I gotta use the shovel for that. But it's already done. Get to see that. Oh my God. And the snow is falling. So, with that being said, I gotta shovel this crap right here. And I think the next video will be when we on that plane. Gotta get ready for that one.